Doing a video right here of Deering Courtyard, unit number 30. Getting ready to come in as kind of just a little prequel for people that want to take a look. Deering Courtyard is located right off of Milledge. Down the street is the last bus stop on the way to the Arch. And this unit has 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. So like a standard townhome plan, what you have here is stairs, living space. And while the unit doesn't have a lot of large upgrades, it is in generally very good condition. The tenants have been very clean and good, which you don't always see in college, but we do here. So very standard townhome plan. You got the bay window, living space, dine-in space, and underneath the stairwell, you'll have storage right there. And then here you will find, you've got a half bath underneath the stairs. As we come to the back, this is the kitchen area. And it's a dreary day in Athens, but there's a pool that is included back there and the deck. The HOA recently had work done to all the decks. This is where your laundry machine and washer are, and kitchen storage. And then we're going to take a look upstairs, keep the video under 2 minutes. And what we try to do is with lease properties, especially to students, we want to be as unintrusive to them as we can. So we make these videos to give you a better idea before we have 20 people walking through in one day. And upstairs we have the front bedroom. As you can see, 2 closets. As we come through, we have bath 2. The back bedroom sort of operates like it is the owner's suite because it has the private access bath, 2 other closets. This overlooks the back with ample parking. One thing to note too, this entire complex is surrounded by fencing and everything, and then you can just come right out and walk right down Milledge to the bus stop. Very close to campus, downtown Athens. This is 550 Deering, unit 30. Price is $219,900 on the market this Friday.